In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see page views in Google Analytics. Understanding how many people are visiting your website and which pages they're exploring is crucial for improving your content strategy and enhancing user engagement. Let's walk through the process together so you can easily access this valuable data. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Google Analytics website by entering the URL analytics.google.com. Once you're on the site, you'll need to sign in to your Google Analytics 4 account. If you have multiple properties under your account, make sure to select the correct property that corresponds to the website you want to analyze. This is important because each property contains its own set of data. After you've logged in and chosen the correct property, turn your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll see several options for navigating your Google Analytics dashboard. Click on Reports. This section is your hub for viewing different types of data reports related to your website's performance. Once you're in the Reports area, the next step is to focus on the Engagement section. Under Engagement, select Pages and Screens. This is where you'll find detailed information about how visitors are interacting with your site. It's a great place to start if you're looking to understand page-specific data and overall user behavior. Now, you'll see a table appear on your screen. This table is packed with insights and is designed to give you a comprehensive overview of your web page activity. Let's break down the elements you'll find here. First, you have the page path and screen class. This will show you the URLs or paths of the pages that your visitors are accessing. Next is the Views column, which represents your page views. Page views indicate how many times a page on your site was viewed, giving you a clear indication of which pages are attracting the most attention. Moving on, you'll also notice the Users column. This tells you the number of unique visitors who have viewed your pages, which is different from the page views if users visit multiple pages or the same page multiple times. This can help you identify how many individual people are engaging with your site. Additionally, you'll see Average Engagement Time, offering insights into how long users typically spend on your pages. This is a valuable metric to gauge whether your content holds their interest and keeps them on the site. Lastly, there's the Event Count, which reflects the number of interactions tracked on your site. Events can be any user interactions you've chosen to track, such as video plays or form submissions. And there you have it. With these steps, you can easily check your page views and gain meaningful insights into your website's performance. This data can guide you in making informed decisions about content and marketing strategies to optimize user experience. Thank you for joining me today, and happy analyzing.